guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we will check how to get voice chat on Roblox. So let's start. It's very easy. Just you have to add a phone number for getting this option here on Roblox. So for this, let's go to chat and then let's go to privacy. Okay, let's click here. In my case, my app is in Spanish, but the steps are the same in English. So okay, let's go down. It says camera, so you have to activate this one. Just press activate, then scroll down, and then you have to here add your phone number, add a phone number here, and then you have to click here in allow access to your device, then accept. Okay, you have to click and all activate this option for getting this about how to get voice chat on Roblox, about get the chat voice on Roblox, and then you can start using it without any problem. So I hope it works for you. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and give a like to this video.